man is playing to me. Today is the last day. He must leave my house. I'm not running a charity organization. I've been paying my house for more than 5 years. I'm not paying. This is a government house. This is my personal house.
I woke up from my sleep one morning. I heard someone knocking at my door. I opened the door to know who it was. Guess who? It was my landlord that was knocking.
Oh my God!
I couldn't take him for 6 good months. So he asked me to pack my things and leave. Though I had no money in me, yet I believe it's well with me. Now, there's nothing so strange in what you were going through. Someone somewhere have gone through the same. It's just a matter of time. Believe it's well with you. The downfall of a man is not the end of his life. To fail is not a crime except when you give up. Rise up from where you have fallen and say, it is well with me. If you believe it's well with you, sing this song.
I believe, yes, Lord, I believe, yes, Lord, I believe, it is well with me. I believe, yes, Lord, I believe, yes, Lord, I believe, it is well with me. I believe, yes, Lord, I believe, yes, Lord, I believe, it is well with me.
Your children were driven away from school just because you couldn't pay their fees. That doesn't mean all hope is lost. Believe it's well with you. Sickness and trials may come your way, troubles from every side of life. You don't have to lose your faith. Believe it's well with you. The doctor told you that you have cancer of the heart and that in 1 week time you will die. Why not believe the report of the Lord, which says it is well with you? Like the Shunammite woman will say, you can say it over and over again. Open your mouth wide, sing this song of victory and say, it is well with me. If you believe it's well with you, sing this song.
I believe, yes, Lord, I believe, yes, Lord, I believe, it is well with me.
Do you believe? Do you believe? Do you believe?
I believe, yes, Lord, I believe,
I believe.
yes, Lord, I believe, it is well with me.
I believe, I believe, I believe it's well with me.
I believe, yes, Lord, I believe, yes, Lord, I believe, it is well with me. Oh, what a great God I serve. He hears when I call, and He feels what I feel. Oh, I love you, Lord. I believe, oh, I believe, it's well with me. It's well with my husband, it's well with my children, it's well with my soul and everything. Oh, I believe, it's well with me.
No food on my table, no money in my account. Everywhere looks very, very dry, yet I believe it's well with me. You may have a lady you love so much, and you've been dreaming to have her as a wife one day. Suddenly she tells you that she doesn't love you again. Believe it's well with you. You may have a young man you loved so much, and you've been dreaming to have him as your hussy one day. Suddenly he tells you that he doesn't love you again. Believe it's well with you. I know it's not so easy for one to say, cause I can feel the pains that you feel. But with Jesus I know you can say that everything is well with me, with me, with me.
I believe,
Oh, I believe.
yes, Lord, I believe,
I believe in you.